Welcome to another round. Um, WhatsApp typing, and now I will finish the tutorial. I hope in free settings. We will see. So let's get into it. Oh, that's long. Come on. $9.35, okay. That's about average, I think. Oh yeah, I did not do that. Yeah, so we will do this, and the result was 9.35. 9.35. Yeah. Okay. Private interface methods. Okay. So So this is what previous. So what's the deal here? Plans logging, cars logging. Also plans logging. And there will be. So if logging, a log warm, log error, skip connection, close connection, and just output something. It doesn't use the message parameter, which is weird. Those are the same. Everything was the same. Java 8, this is Java 9. Constant abstract, then we have default and static. Previously you could have a static, right? Okay. Let's have default implementation and static methods in interface itself using Java 8. Cars logging here. Okay, so they basically, okay, so they're using default thingy. And static get connection. Java 9 interfaces can have following variables. Okay, so here we have, okay, so what is the duplication? Let's have private methods and use them in Java 9. So that's the interface and it has private thingy. That's log. And it says, oh, okay, I see. So that is not visible to anywhere else. Log thingy. But still, the logging that does not do anything with the message, which kind of is like, what? I want to implement it. So we have extra thing compared to. So these are 4 things, and here we have 6 things. So which is extra? It is the private static, constant variables maybe. Constant variables here is the 3 last things. Static methods are there. Constant variables, abstract methods defaulted to static methods. Yeah, so those 2 private methods and private static methods. It's a lot shorter. I don't want to code it. And my idea is for 8 you have to re-implement oh, come on. Let's see, you can. Come on. So yeah, so here the main idea is, so you can remove the location of crop inside type. Forgot about the T, it will be fucking strong. Hello, Swarm. No. I had a break at a lunch, made few calls, then I was playing some game. Yeah, it's actually nice shit. I'm lazy to implement it, but it's pretty nice. It's a pretty neat idea. Hold on. Hey, Fisken. Um, oh, okay. A little bit sad, but I found awesome thing in Java. It's called private interface methods, and it lets you not write a lot of shit of code. So prior Java 9, when you have the interface, you can only define the not the implementation, right? So even though if you implement exactly the same shit everywhere, you have to implement the same shit everywhere. So those are two classes, and look at all of that code. And then in Java 9 you get the default methods, which helps a lot. That is, you in here put the implementation, and that means you don't have to implement it in the classes, and suddenly you're, hey kernel. That's awesome. Yeah, he got it, kernel. Because, yeah, I was reading it as colonel because I'm ignorant of English. Yeah, apparently I'm not native speaker. So in Java 8 you can do this, right? And you don't have to re-implement it with one not example. One situation you have to, and that is if you are implementing two interfaces which have the same default method, then you are forced to implement it because the Java compiler doesn't know which it should use. And but you can call the interface method in there, so it's okay. And in Java, so not everyone knows how to pronounce military rights. Yeah, no one. I don't. And in the Java 9, you see, like, I still have here like get connection, then I print some shit and so on. So that is Java 8. We are doing better, right, already, compared to this, which is Java 7 and down. So in Java 9 we can abstract even, well, take away this part, into private method, so we can decrease a lot of the duplicated code in here without exposing our simplification to outside of the interface, which is not nice, right? So we set them as private, here's something, and here the log is simplified. It's like Why would you get a connection and close? Oh, well, yeah, this is it doesn't make sense. It's just example. Like for example, notice that uh, the log method it is taking a string and then it's not doing anything with it at all. And so it's just dummy example which doesn't make any kind of sense for this, like get connection printing something out. But yeah, it's like here is something, here's some different part. It will be like, you know, like, can you mark methods as final in interface? I don't know. Yes, Java does have a final. So let's see. Oh, come on. What's the problem? Ah. And come on. Yeah, it doesn't look. You can. Yeah, doesn't work. Hello, Jotaroy. Jotaroy's life. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Take a seat. Grab a warm drink. And watch me do things which program shouldn't do. So final is not possible to do on interface, seems to be the case. Yeah, it's not. It's not. But just when you are talking about it, that I think that would come handy. That would be useful. Well, they are and they are not, because in Java you can inherit only from one parent, right? So the only way which you can get like more functionality into single class is through interfaces. Yeah. So that's the deal here. And we are over the time, which means round 1 is at the end. We'll have a bathroom break and I will be back.